Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Cómo estamos? Here I am. You guys find me in the wilderness. I'm actually taking a little pause from the Bay Area. I love the Bay, but I had to kind of come out on a super secret top mission. And I came out to wildlife. Let's check this out. This is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Nobody pushed me in here. I don't know how to swim. Just kidding. I can swim. Come on, man. Gotta be prepared. Look at this, guys. And look at the little perritos, little doggies playing. In a different life, I was a dog. I'm born year of the dog, Chinese calendar. Look at that. Y pues, ese carro super cool, old style, old school. So, all these trees kind of remind me of one of my passions. I love to go running. I love cross country running, long distance running. I like running a lot. I like to zone out and run to a bunch of kind of music. I love listening to like metal en español. I'll listen to some Santa Fe Clan, some rap en español, zone out. Here's the barn, big rancho barn, looking pretty cool actually. There's an artist that's in my genre that I like, or something a little different, I'll just give it a shot. But generally I love Kazu, Santa Fe Clan when I'm working out, and like to be a little goofy, kind of trying to do tire surfing, see if I can develop a new skill there. Yep. See if I bust my head open. No, it's okay. No Afro Latin brujas were hurt in the making of this film. Well, let's see how long I last. Apparently, I was trying to invent a new sport, tire racing, tire skateboarding, tire surfing, or something like that. I love animals, perritos. Kissies, 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 kissies. Que chulo, que chulo, que chulo. Like I mentioned, I'm here on a little mission. And I mean, this reminds me of when I used to live out for a little bit. I used to live out in just for like a summer camp type of thing I did for like a month in the wilderness. And it was really gorgeous. It was gorgeous. And I remember running a lot and listening to a lot of like, we actually shared like an MP3 player, and the MP3 player it had like only like 13 songs on it. And I remember the doggy. And the MP3 player had like 13 songs on it. So we shared this MP3 player that had like, it had like 11 Motley Crue songs on it. So, and like 2 Tom Petty songs on it. So my question would be for you guys, when you're out in the wilderness, what kind of music do you like to listen to? Let me know. In the meantime, hopefully you guys also get to take a break soon and kind of relax and from the hustle bustle in life. Kind of just sit down, man. You guys go camping sometimes, do something like that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Catch you guys at the next video. Subscribe and take care. Ciao.